Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing local profiles because split screen requires 2 active players. Sign into your primary Xbox account and launch Battlefront II. Once the main menu appears, connect the second controller and press it to wake it. If the second player doesn't have an account, choose Guest to create a local session. This keeps progress local, but lets you play immediately. Make sure the game is fully updated and both controllers are responsive, so input is recognized when you move to the next step. Once done, go to a mode that supports couch co-op like instant action or local co-op. Battlefront 2 won't allow split screen in some online-only playlists, so pick a compatible mode. With the second controller signed in, press the menu/start button to join. Watch the on-screen prompt that confirms player 2 has joined. You can now set the map, difficulty, and 1/2 of the screen arrangement. These choices matter because AI behavior and screen layout affect visibility and latency during local play. Start the match and confirm both players have control and can select loadouts. This completes the setup. If player 2 fails to join, make sure the controller is paired, the profile is active, and the game is updated. Sometimes signing out and back resolves recognition issues. If input still fails, restart the console or repair the controller, then relaunch Battlefront 2. This often clears device conflicts, so you can return to split-screen play quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.